Let's talk about how to care for this later. In other words, after that 3-day time period is passed, you can use household cleaners that you're normally used to using, such as any spray cleaner that's antimicrobial, any household cleaner, whatever you wash dishes with. It can't even hurt the countertops. That's how I clean my countertops. But not an abrasive household cleaner, and I'll hold this one for an example, not to use. This is a no. Don't use anything that has an aggregate in it, like a Comet or anything that, like an Ajax, that's a scrubby type something. That's going to erode the finish of your countertop, and you don't want to do that. So one that I would hesitate to say is this one, and this power wash has a lot of alcohol. Alcohol is an enemy to an acrylic paint. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.